Today I'm going to show you how to create an invoice using Zoho CRM in N8N step by step. This is a quick and practical workflow if you want to automate invoicing and save time inside your automation setup. If this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy N8N tutorials. First, open the workflow you want inside N8N. This could be an existing workflow you're already building or a new one where you want to add invoicing as part of your automation process. Once you're in the workflow, go to the Nodes panel. In the search bar or node list, choose Zoho CRM. This will add the Zoho CRM node to your workflow so you can work with your Zoho data directly. After that, look for the action and choose Create an Invoice. This tells N8N that you want this node to generate a new invoice in Zoho CRM rather than doing something else like updating a record or fetching data. Now it's time to configure what to create. Fill in the required invoice details based on your workflow data and make sure each field is mapped correctly so the invoice is created with the right information. Depending on your setup, this may include customer details, invoice values, dates, and any other fields your process needs. Take a moment to review everything carefully before running the workflow. Once the configuration is set, your N8N automation will be ready to create invoices through Zoho CRM, and that's it. You've now set up the Zoho CRM Create Invoice action inside N8N. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more step-by-step automation tutorials.